Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through installing a motorized roller shade with a valance as an outside mount. First, here's everything you'll want to have ready. A drill with a Phillips head or SQ2 bit, a Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, level, and a pencil. Next, let's quickly review what comes in the box. You should have your mounting brackets, screws and anchors, a valance idler pin, valance bracket covers, a valance, and the roller shade itself. Before we install anything, let's confirm this is an outside mount. That means the brackets will attach to the wall or trim above your window opening, not inside the window frame. For this installation, we are doing a trim mount. Now, let's prep our installation product parts and tools by the window. Next, hold the roller shade up to confirm the placement of your shade set. Once it looks centered, use your pencil to lightly mark the left and right ends of where the valance will sit. Now, take a valance bracket up to the left edge of our window trim. Use your pencil to lightly mark the screw holes for your bracket. Then, repeat those steps for the right valance bracket. Once your marks look good, pre-drill pilot holes if needed. If anchors are required, insert them now before mounting the brackets. Then, secure each bracket with the included screws and tighten until firmly in place. With both brackets now installed, use a level to ensure your brackets are leveled. If needed, make small adjustments until the level is fully balanced. Next, slide the valance idler pin into the bracket until you hear a click. Then, lift the open end of the roller shade up to the idler bracket and insert it. Then, seat the other end of the shade into the valance bracket until it fully locks into place. Then, add your valance to the bracket. And add the valance cover to the ends of both of the brackets. Congratulations! You've completed the installation. If you need help pairing and programming your shade, watch our step-by-step videos for the Remote Plus and the Motion Blinds app.